right, so today I'm going to show you how to make a contact sheet or a print of all of your negatives. So you're going to need your negatives cut up and slid into a file preserver. Once you have that, you're going to get out your glass easel at your enlarger station, and the glass easels open from one side and hinge, allowing the glass to come down over the top of your negatives and hold them tight. We generally set our lens at f8, so you're going to go all the way to the darkest light and 3 clicks brighter. Based on the chart that I showed you earlier, determine your time for your negatives. These are properly exposed, so I'm setting my timer for 8 seconds. I will then, once my lens is set, my timer is set, and the light is fully around my entire easel. I don't want any of my easel in darkness. Then I'm ready to make my print, so I'm going to turn off the enlarger. I'm going to grab a sheet of my photo paper, lift the glass, and you will put your photo paper down, shiny side up. You will put your negatives directly on top of the photo paper and then close the glass. And you're ready to expose, so you'll start your timer. Wherever my images are dark or black, the light is going to be blocked. And wherever we see paper easily, the light will pass through. At this point, I'm ready to process my paper and see what we get.